Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to be creating a composite centerpiece. You can see that I've got a number of bud vases. Bud vases are kind of making a rise back again. Here I've used the square bud vase that's about 8 inches tall, and what we're going to do is create kind of a crossing motion with the different floral materials that we're going to be using. I'm going to start with some Star of Bethlehem, and this is a really long-lasting flower, and so you can utilize that to be able to create some of these interactive lines. So I'm coming in and bringing one to another, kind of going in the corners of those bud vases from one side to the other, to create some interaction between those flowers. They also do have a directional quality so that you can have them really interact with each other. So you can see how that really creates a motion down the tables. And next we're going to add just some simple and easy flowers here. I'm using some carnations. I am splitting the calyx here to get a little bit more of a show. We're just going to do some basing with some of those carnations in a couple of these containers. So you can see how that white tone just brings that all down. This is going to be in the white and green field, which is really a color group that I feel is impactful. Now here I'm going to put these at a little bit different heights so that it's not so static. These are a Magnum mum, and they will last all month long. So you can see here, we could stop here, and this would be a great centerpiece. But I'm going to add a little bit of other textural elements. So this is a Lisanthus that can come in and just be a little bit of a floral element. Has kind of that draping effect. Now, I don't want too much so that I get rid of my simple or clean lines. We're just gonna put a few in here. And once again, you could stop here. But why, right? So the next textural element, I have a seeded eucalyptus and then also some cedar. So I'm just going to take those and insert those now. So here you can see that interactive composite centerpiece that we created. It could be made with the holiday greens like we did here at the Cedar, or Italian ruscus, or a variety of other greens. Or you even could stop with just the white and green flowers. But I love the interaction between the Star of Bethlehem coming together to really create a complex centerpiece that really is a simple centerpiece. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.